Marcin Gavalchek asks, based on the iOS betas, do you think it's sensible to use iOS 16 on release? I heard it's supposedly coming out on Monday. And yes, it did come out. So, exciting times. Having used the betas basically since the public ones appeared, yes. I've found very few issues with it. Very early on, there were a couple of apps that weren't quite happy with it. I basically forgot I was using a beta at this point. So, yes, you can go with it. And yes, that's how you're supposed to say beta. In terms of the biggest features that you will notice from using it, the biggest one is immediately going to be the lock screens. The lock screen customization is really fun. There's a lot that you can do with it. Basically, expect what you can do with your Apple Watch in terms of complications and backgrounds and things like that. That basically comes to your iPhone's lock screen. It's a pretty cool feature. I like it a lot. The really powerful stuff that you've got in there, though, is things like the live captioning and being able to grab the subject from an image and then paste it into another app, basically removing the background automatically. That's basically witchcraft. Thanks to the Patreons for their support. They've literally kept me afloat while I was between jobs in the last couple of months. Join them at icavedave.com/Patreon. If you've got a question you want to ask in one of these videos, hashtag iCaveAnswers down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Want the latest Apple news, leaks and rumours? Subscribe and ring the bell.